Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve chapter 7 fraction for class 6. We will complete first 15 question and remaining question we will solve in next video. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. The models are shaded to show which of the following. Model 1, there are 3 parts. Out of 3, 2 are shaded and sum of 2 shaded part is 2 by 3. We can do direct addition because their denominators are same. In model 2, there are 2 shaded part. Here also we can directly add these 2 fraction because their denominator are same, 1 plus 1 2. But here we cannot compare this fraction as it is. We have to make their denominator same. So for that we find out the LCM. Their LCM is 12. So this fraction denominator and numerator we multiply by 4 to make the denominator 12, and here both numerator and denominator we multiply by 3 to make denominator 12. So 2 into 4 is 8 and 4 into 3 is 12, and here 2 into 3 is 6 and 4 into 3 is 12. So now denominators are same, so we can compare it. So which one is bigger? This 8 by 12 is bigger than the 6 by 12. So here 2 by 3 is greater than the 2 by 4. So option D is correct answer. Question number 2. The sum of two fraction is 3 by 5. If one of the fraction is 7 by 12, then find the difference of two fraction. According to the question, the sum of two fraction is 3 by 5 and one fraction is 7 by 12. So we first have to find out the other fraction. We take it as x. So here x is equal to 3 by 5. Here 7 by 12 is having plus sign. So this side it will become minus. So here we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 12. LCM is 60. So here denominator and numerator we will multiply by 12 and this side by 5 to make the LCM 60. 3 into 12 is 36 and 7 into 5 is 35. So 1 by 60. X is equal to 1 by 60 means that other fraction is 1 by 60. Now we have to find out the difference between two fractions. One fraction is 7 by 12 and the other fraction is 1 by 60. The LCM is 60. So here denominator and numerator will multiply by 5 and here by 1 to make the denominator 60. So here 7 into 5 is 35 and 1 into 1 is 1. So 34 by 60. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Here 2 threes are 60 and 0. So their difference is 17 by 30. Here A is the correct answer. Question number 3. In which of the following figure does the unshaded portion represent 2 by 3? So here in option 1 there are 6 total equal part. Out of 6, 3 parts are unshaded. So here fraction will be 3 by 6. In option B there are total 3 equal part and out of 3, 2 parts are unshaded and it is equal to the given fraction. So option B is correct answer. Question number 4. A pasta recipe require this kg cheese. Approximately how much pasta can be made from 21 gram of cheese? So here quantity of pasta is equal to 21 divided by this kg of cheese is equal to 21. Here we convert this fraction. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3. So it is equal to 21 into, we take the reciprocal, 8. So here answer is 63 by 8. So 63 by 8 we convert it into mixed fraction. So it will be A. A is correct answer. Question number 5. Which number should come in place of star? The given question is, so here we first find out the LCM of these two. The LCM is 12. So here we multiply denominator and numerator by 2 and here by both by 1. So star by 4 is equal to, here LCM is 12 and here 1 into 2, 2 plus 5 into 1, 5 is equal to, here 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So next step is, here 7 by 12 is equal to 4 by 3. So star by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Here 7 by 2 is having plus sign, it will become minus here. So here also we find out its LCM. Star by 4 is equal to, LCM is 12. So here multiply both denominator and numerator by 4 and here by 1 to make the denominator 12. Here 4 into 4 is 16 minus 7 ones are 7. So 9 by 12. Star by 4 is equal to, so star is equal to 9 by 12. Here 4 is in denominator, so it will come in numerator here. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So star is equal to 3. So here 3 is the correct answer. Question number 6. Which of the following is arranged in ascending order? So here we have to arrange this in ascending order. So we have to find out their LCM first. The LCM is 112. So here both numerator and denominator we multiply by 8 to make the denominator 112. Here by 16, here by 14, here by 7 and here by 28. So 5 into 8, 40 and denominator is 112. Then 4 into 16 is 64. Denominator is 112. 3 into 16 is 48. Denominator 112. 1 into 7, 7 and denominator is 112. 4 into 1 into 28, 28. Denominator is 112. Ascending order means small to big. So it will come first. Then this will come second. Then this will come third. Then this fourth and this last. So one number, this means 1 by 16 first. Then second is 21 by 4. Then third is 5 by 14. Then 4 is 3 by 8. And 5 is 4 by 7. So this is big to small arrangement. It means ascending order. So here C is correct answer. Question number 7. What is the sum of the shaded part of a given here total equal parts are 4 and out of 4 3 parts are shaded, and in this fraction total parts are 16 and out of 16 8 parts are shaded, and addition of this is 3 by 4 plus 8 by 16. So here we cannot directly add it, we have to find out their LCM, and LCM is 16. So here we multiply denominator by 4 and numerator by 4 to make the denominator 16. So here 3 4s are 12 plus 8 1s are 8. So 20 by 16. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. So here mixed fraction will be here 4 1s are 4 and 4 plus 1 5. So B is correct answer. Question number 8. A small tank is 2 by 5 full of water. The tank is then poured into a large empty tank which has a capacity which is twice that of the small tank. What fraction of large tank is filled with water? Here we consider the capacity of small tank as x. So capacity of big tank is double of small tank, so 2x, and water in small tank is 2 by 5x. So we have to find out the water in big tank. So that is equal to 2 by 5x divided by 2x. So here 2 by 5x into, we take the reciprocal 1 by 2x. So this get cancelled. So is equal to 1 by 5. So answer is 1 by 5 fraction. So here 1 by 5 fraction of a large tank is filled with water. Option C is correct answer. Question number 9. How many 1/4 need to be added to this to make 5? The question is how many 1/4 needs to be added. So we take it as x 1/4 need to be added to this to make it 5. So here 1 by 1/4 x plus here 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1 9 by 4 is equal to 5. So here 9 by 4 is having plus sign, it will become minus here, and here denominator is 1. So we find out the LCM of it. The LCM is 4. So 5 into 4 is 20 minus 9 by 4. 1 by 4x is equal to 20 minus 9 is 11 by 4. X is equal to 11 by 4 into, we take the reciprocal of this. So x is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So x is equal to 11. So we need 11 times 1/4. So here A is the correct answer. Question number 10. Which of the following is true for the shaded fraction of model shown below? Here model 1 is there are total 12 parts and out of 12 9 are shaded, and in model 2 there are 6 equal parts and out of 6 3 parts are shaded. We have to compare these two. 9 by 12 and 3 by 6. We cannot compare directly because their denominator are different, so we make it same. So LCM is 12. So here denominator and numerator both we multiply by 2 and here by 1. So it is 9 by 12 as it is, and here 3 into 2 6 and 6 into 2 12. So which is greater? This is greater. So model 1 is greater than model 2. Model 1 is P. So P is greater than Q. So here C is correct answer. Question number 11. Which of the following pairs of fraction are not equivalent? Option A. Here 12 and 14 are divided by 2. So here 2 6s are 12 and 2 7s are, and here 0 get cancelled, so fraction will be 6 by 7. So they are equivalent. In option B, 36 and 81 are divisible by 9. 9 4s are 36 and 9 9s are 81. 72 and 162 are divisible by 18. 18 4s are 72 and 18 9s are 162. So these are also equivalent. 4 by 9 and 4 by 9. Both are equivalent. Now option C, 63 and 60 are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 and 0. These fractions are also equivalent. Option D, 72 and 78 are divisible by 2. This also divisible by 3. They are not equivalent. So here D, option D is correct answer. Question number 12. If two fractions have same numerator, then the fraction with, if the two fraction with same numerator, we check the denominator. If the denominator is greater, that fraction will be smaller. So here B option is correct. Question number 13. What fraction of a day is 4 hours? So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So out of 24, 4 hours means 4 1s are 4 and 4 6 are 24. So fraction will be 1 by 6. So here A is correct answer. Question number 14. Which of the following option is incorrect? So here in all options denominators are different, so we cannot directly compare it. We have to find out the LCM and make their denominators same. So in option A, the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So here 3 by 4 we multiply by 3 and 2 by 3 we multiply by 4. So here 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12, and here 9 is greater than 8. So this 9 by 12 is greater than 8 by 12. So here option A is correct. Then option B, 5 and 3, their LCM is 15. So here we multiply by 3 and here by 5. So 4 into 3 is 12 and 3 into 5 is 15 and 1 into 5 is 5 and 3 into 5 is 15. Now here 12 is greater than 5. So 12 by 15 is greater than 5 by 15. So here this is also correct answer. Now option C, here denominator is 1 and their LCM is 7. So here we multiply by 1 and here by 7. So here 9 1s are 9 and 1 into 7 is 7. And here 1 into 7 is 7 and 1 into 7 is 7. Here also 9 by 7 is greater than 7 by 7. So this option is correct. In option D, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So here we multiply both by 2 and here by 1. So here 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4 and 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 4 is 4. Now here 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. So this is the incorrect option. So here D is correct answer. Question number 15. Write the equivalent fraction represented by the shaded portion of a given figure. Here total equal parts are 15 and out of 15 6 parts are shaded. And here total part are 5 and 5 out of 5 2 parts are shaded. So 6 by 15 is equal to 2 by 5. So here B is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.